Good morning, students. This is Professor Nitin Karoulia from Department of MBA, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology Excellence, Bhopal. The topic that we are continuing today from subject management concept and practices is organization structure. So first of all, we need to understand what is organization structure. An organization structure is a framework that allots a particular space for a particular department or an individual and shows its relationship to the other. An organization structure shows the authority and responsibility relationship between the various positions in the organization by showing who reports to whom. It is an established pattern of relationship among the components of the organization. Significance of organization structure. So we need to understand what is the importance or significance of the organization structure, what help or what importance it has in an organization. Properly designed organization can help improve teamwork and productivity by providing a framework within which the people can work together most efficiently. Organization structure determines the location of decision making in the organization. Sound organization structure stimulates creative thinking and initiative among organizational members by providing well-defined patterns of authority. A sound organization structure facilitates growth of enterprise by increasing its capacity to handle increased level of authority. Organization structure provides a pattern of communication and coordination. The organization structure helps a member to know what his role is and how he needs to perform it. The principles of organization structure. Modern organizational structures have evolved from several organizational theories which have identified certain principles as basic to any organization structure. Line and staff relationship. Line authority refers to the scalar chain or the superior subordinate linkages that extend throughout the hierarchy. Line employees are responsible for achieving the basic or strategic objectives of the organization, while staff plays a supporting role to line employees and provides services. Departmentalization. Departmentalization is the process of horizontal clustering of different types of functions and activities on any one level of the hierarchy. Departmentalization is conventionally based on purpose, product, process, function, personal things, and place. Span of control. This refers to the number of specialized activities or individuals supervised by one person. Deciding the span of control is important for coordinating different types of activities effectively. Decentralization and centralization. Decentralization refers to decision making at lower levels in the hierarchy of authority. In contrast, decision making in a centralized type of organizational structure is at higher levels. The degree of centralization and decentralization depends on the number of levels of hierarchy. So this is all in organizational structure today. In the next class, we will be discussing the formal and informal types of organization, their characteristics and their advantages and disadvantages. So thank you for today, students.